Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer BNB from your Tangem wallet to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even more secure and user-friendly. Whether you're looking to move funds for trading, staking, or just better management, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and verified. You'll need BNB in your Tangem wallet and your Coinbase wallet address ready. This is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app on your device. If you haven't already, log in securely using your PIN or biometrics. Once inside, navigate to the Assets section and select BNB from your portfolio. You'll see your balance there. Double-check it to ensure you have enough to transfer, including any network fees. Next, head over to your Coinbase wallet. Go to the Receive tab, select BNB, which is on the BNB Smart Chain, and copy the wallet address. This is your destination address, so don't share it anywhere else. Now, back in Tangem Wallet, go to the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to send, and review the transaction details. Pay attention to the network. Make sure it's set to BNB Smart Chain to avoid errors. Before confirming, take a moment to verify everything: the address, amount, and fees. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on network congestion in 2025, this might take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to confirm the BNB has arrived. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, it could be due to incorrect network selection. Always double-check that. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred BNB between wallets. This method keeps your assets secure and gives you more control over your crypto journey. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.